Here goes. All right, we're going to pause this while we take care of this. I wonder if we set this up here. Cool.
Are you video?
Oh God. Yeah. I can't believe you have to do something like this to eat something like this. Obviously no prehistoric man ate one of these. Wow, this is a thick one. My God. Wait. Into the bowl? Oh, great. Oh, well.
What do you have that gun there for?
Okay.
Wow, that's a hard to
It's like porcelain.